Hey, what's up everybody? Anybody on this channel for 3D printing? I got 3 new printers that I will be reviewing very soon. All of these I did buy with my own money. I wish Bambu would reach out to me. But finally got the H2D. This is the one with their new AMS2. Very excited. I ordered this about a month ago. It finally came. I was lucky and paid the $21.99 price before the price hike. And I cannot wait to get into this one. This one, I'm definitely unboxing and messing with today. This one over here is the Anycubic Kobra 3 Max. And that on its own didn't really interest me that much until I saw they have their own AMS system that they call Color Engine Pro. And this whole setup, I paid like $670 shipped. And it's a very large printer. That's gonna be very interesting to see how well this one works. I had something similar before. I had the Elegoo, I forgot the name. It was their max version. I think it was 500 millimeters. And to be honest, I didn't like that thing, but that was just a single color. And that was a couple, 2-3 years ago now. So hopefully Anycubic's gonna be better than that one. Let me know in the comments if you've messed with any of those type of printers. Another printer I do have that I'm debating on keeping or selling is the Elegoo Orange Storm Giga. That's that massive printer. And I already recorded a quick video at my warehouse because I'm in the process of moving in about 3 weeks, and I don't think I'm gonna set this one up yet, and I know for sure I'm not setting up the Giga yet just because of the size of it. If I do keep it, once I set it there, I want it to stay there. But I've seen so many videos of print quality suffering and just overall it not being that great of a printer. And, I could sell it for, I could basically sell it and get another one of these. And I know this is going to be a great printer. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like I said, I made a quick video yesterday about the Giga. Let me jump over to that video and then we'll end it there. But let me know what you guys think. Please do me a favor and subscribe. I will be doing reviews on these 2 for sure. And then depending on if you guys can talk me into keeping the Giga, I might have a bunch of videos on that as well. I will see y'all later. Let me know if there's anything specific you want to see on any of these, and I can make that happen for you. Hey, what's up everybody? As you can see here, I have the Orange Storm Giga by Elegoo. That's their gigantic 3D printer. I am debating if I want to keep it, mainly because I'm moving in about 3 weeks, and a lot of the reviews I've seen on this, it hasn't been very good, and I don't really want to go through the whole process of setting it up, taking up all the space in my basement, and have it not be a good printer. So I wanted to see what you guys thought. If you have one, if you think it's any good, or based off all the reviews you've seen, is it something you would keep yourself? So it's still worth, $2,200 probably if I sell it locally. Let me know in the comments if this is something you want me to keep and you think this would be a good draw for my channel. Just throwing a kind of a feeler out there, seeing if anybody even cares about this printer. Hey, gonna add on something to this video real quick. So I'm debating on where I want to put this, and also I'm thinking lately about my print farm. I have 6 Bambus. This is actually my 7th, and I love them. And I know I'm gonna sell a couple of them at least to buy, if this thing works as good as everybody says, and I know it's gonna be good because these are amazing, I'm probably gonna buy 1 more of these, maybe 2, and sell the smaller ones, because the stuff I sell and make, I can use the bigger bed. For example, a lot of the stuff I make, this isn't one of it, but I have to put it on here like this diagonally, and it takes up basically the whole bed, so I can only fit 1. And that's good when you have 6 printers, but the larger bed on this guy, I can probably fit 3 to 4 of them long ways and print 3 to 4 in one batch, which is going to be a game changer. So that's why I'm thinking I'm probably, let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm probably going to buy 1 to 2 more of these. And I'm really kind of thinking sell off all of these other smaller bamboos to pay for the other ones. So I've already made my money back on all of these probably 5 times, if not more than that. So it's not going to really affect me in any way. And then I can keep some of the AMSs, because right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 AMSs in here. I can keep most of the AMSs and have a 16 AMS system for easily 2 of these. Not 16 color AMS. Yeah, I mean, that sounds like a pretty good idea to me. And then only have 2 printers that I have to worry about, maybe 3. I don't know, a lot of thinking, because I'm moving too in 3 weeks. So I'd like to, if I do decide to do this, sell these off. And then that'd be even easier when I do redo my 3D print room. I'm going to put that in my basement. And I'll have videos on that of, I'm going to make a cool custom section, a big shipping area. I'm going to have a bunch of lasers down there. It's going to be really cool, so stay tuned for all that. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Another thing I'm 99% sure I'm going to sell, because this guy's out now, is I think I'm going to sell this K2 Plus. It's good overall. I'm having a lot of issues with the bed being completely flat. Even when I do the auto bed leveling, it just, for the stuff I make, and it's a lot of flat stuff like this where there's text on the other side, it just doesn't come out right on this one like it does the bamboos. And I can probably easily get 1,000, 1,200, for probably 1,000, and that can fund another one of these. So why not have the best of the best in my print farm? I don't know, just a thought. I'm rambling now, but I kind of want to hear what everybody thinks. And on the topic of 3D printers, if there's anything you want to know or see before I sell these, if I do, let me know, and I can do like head-to-head comparisons. I could do head-to-head K2 Plus versus the X1C, or now that I have this one, I can do this versus the K2 Plus and do a bunch of comparison videos. I mean, you tell me what you want to see. That's what I'm here for, making content for you guys, and I don't mind doing it because I love this 3D printing stuff. Another thing that's going to be coming to this channel a lot is lasers. I do have some laser content. I have, believe it or not, a lot of laser companies reaching out to me lately. So I'm going to have a few different brands and different models on this channel, which I'm very excited about. All right, that's it. You guys have a great day, and let me know your comments below. See ya.